Hey there, car gurus! Picking the perfect engine oil for your ride might seem as simple as grabbing the first bottle you see. But hold on, the wrong oil can make your engine grumble more than a hungry stomach. Today we're shifting gears and breaking down how to choose the perfect engine oil, while steering you away from those common mistakes that could leave your engine crying for help. Alright, let's start with those mysterious numbers you see on the bottle, 5W30, 10W40. What's the deal? Think of these numbers as your oil's fitness routine. The first number before the W, which stands for winter, is how flexible the oil is in the cold, like how well it stretches before a chilly morning jog. The second number, that's the oil's ability to stay smooth and strong when things heat up. Pick the wrong one, and it's like wearing flip-flops in a snowstorm. Bad idea. So make sure your oil's viscosity matches your car's needs and the weather it's cruising through. Next up, the age-old battle: synthetic oil or conventional. It's like choosing between a luxury spa day or a quick rinse at home. Synthetic oil is engineered for peak performance, especially when your engine's working overtime in extreme heat or cold. It's the pro athlete of oils, always at the top of its game. Conventional oil, it's dependable, but doesn't quite have the endurance for heavy-duty action. If you're driving a modern car or putting your engine through its paces, synthetic oil, like Mobil 1 trademark, is the MVP you want on your team. Here's a classic slip-up: ignoring what your car's manual says. It's tempting to think, any oil will do, but that manual is like your car's secret playbook. It knows what's best for your engine. Not following the manufacturer's recommendations is like trying to cook a gourmet meal without a recipe. Sure, you might wing it, but the results won't be pretty. Stick to the guide and you'll keep your engine running smoother than butter. Now, here's where things get spicy: additives. Think of them as your oil's secret sauce, making everything run better. These additives help clean your engine, fight off wear and tear, and even reduce corrosion. Not all oils have the same mix of goodies though, so you don't want to miss out on the benefits. Mobil Super trademark Friction Fighter, for example, is like a suit of armor for your engine, cutting down friction and improving fuel efficiency. The right oil with the right additives is like giving your car a power-up every time you start the engine. Even if you've chosen the perfect oil, it won't save the day if you don't change it regularly. Waiting too long between oil changes is like putting off laundry. Eventually, things get dirty, and your engine's no different. Let that oil sit too long, and it'll break down faster than a bad reality TV show, leaving sludge behind. Follow the recommended oil change intervals, especially if you're using synthetic oil, and your engine will stay clean, happy, and ready to roll. So there you have it, the roadmap to picking the perfect engine oil for your car. Remember, understanding viscosity grades, listening to your car's manual, choosing synthetic when needed, and changing your oil on time are all part of keeping your engine running smoother than a Sunday drive. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be treating your engine to the VIP experience it deserves. With Mobil, keep it smart, keep it smooth, and keep your car cruising in top shape.